Hello and welcome to Prashanti's Food Spot. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken pakoda. This is a very quick recipe. Let's get started. I'm taking 150 grams of boneless chicken and I've added 1 teaspoon of salt to it. Now I'll add 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, a little cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour. You can use rice flour instead. Half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of chopped curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of squeezed lime juice. Now mix well and rest it for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, deep fry them in medium hot oil. Stir once a while so that the pieces are fried on all sides. Once they're fried nice and brown, just remove them from oil. See how simple these pakodas are. Why do you want to pour a lot of bucks out of your pocket to buy them outside? Just make them at home. It's so simple. After removing the chicken pieces, just deep fry few curry leaves and green chilies. I've marinated green chilies with salt and lime juice for 5 minutes. Chicken pakodas are ready now. Can serve hot. These chicken pakodas are crunchy outside and soft inside. Enjoy them. If you like this video, please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. I've shared the Facebook page link below. Please like my page and see you in the next video.